Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing fine and great. And hopefully the people survived the hurricane and the people who are still recovering, wishing them faster and faster recovery. And hopefully no life has been lost. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show how to create key sheets. But it's not gonna be like this. This is the classic key sheet. We're gonna create the NexGen key sheet. When I say NexGen, this is what I mean. Let's go here. Let's go to the FDM. So this is the FDM. If we went to Plans Production, the 302, scroll down. This is the key sheet. This is the classic one, the 302. But since we are moving to next generation plans, we're gonna make a signature key sheet and signature sheet. We're gonna make a key sheet for 910. Why am I making this video? For the simple fact, if we went to YouTube and you just clicked on search key sheet, we're gonna find this video from DOT FDOT training. It's a year ago, and they explain to you how to create a key sheet in ORD. But this is 10.8. They did not release anything for 10.9, 10.10, and back then they did not even release the NexGen key sheet and how it looks, so they did not do a video about it. But if anyone want to know how to create the classic key sheet, they are this DOT video and they are this video from this person, Idea Design, I guess. Shout out to them. They spent their time and they created for you a 19-minute detailed video showing you how to create key sheet for ORD. And of course, this is, you see this one, the 6 years, this is for MicroStation. This is an old video. But there are none, I didn't find none in the internet. They're actually talking about how to create the NexGen plan key sheet, which is this one. Let's scroll down to it, this one. Scroll down, this is how it looks. So nobody showed the video, but I guess DOT did not release a video because literally everything here in the sheet, this sheet, it's part of the cells. It changes here how the roadway and the project and all the description and the new box. So there are no map anymore. You just have a project location URL, but you need to convert the project URL to a tiny URL. I will explain how to do all that. I guess that's why DOT did not release any new video. And I didn't say nobody done it, but we need to do it. I have colleagues who want to do it, so I'm gonna make it in this video and show you guys how. So, I mean, somebody will say, why didn't click on training? Because you see, if I clicked on training, look at the URL here, it's actually a YouTube video. And I was like, oh my God, yes, they have a YouTube video. But if we went to that YouTube video, that is gonna open in a second. What's going on with my internet? Oh, commercial. Hello, what you selling me? Level up? Okay, I do want to level up. Okay, so this video, this lovely person, what's their name? Paul. They are basically explaining the changes and how the new key sheet should look like. And basically they're just reciting what's in the PDF and telling you what needs to be done. Which is good. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, DOT. But, especially my babies engineers out there, they need to see ORD workflow. They need to see CAD. They need to know how to create that stuff. So in this video, we're going to do a NexGen key sheet. So I'm working with ORD 1010. As you can see, that's the FDOT version I have, 10.10.2, and the ORD 10.10.21004. So now let's create a key sheet. First thing first, go to create a file, roadway. Let's go to the sheets. Oh, I am in the sheets, right? And then let's go to key sheet. So this is key sheet, and then most important thing you need to do here is make sure you're Hillsborough County. Well, that's where my project is, our project. I say mine like I own it. Yeah, it is gonna be in Hillsborough County. Okay, so we just have to make sure that Hillsborough County is here selected. There are other things that you should do before you even do a key sheet, which is you need to make sure your project information are loaded properly, because that's gonna help you later. When I say that, this is what I mean. Let me create the file first. Okay, yes, 316, yeah, that's the one. Use this active workspace. So this is the first step, creating the DGN file, which, as you can see here, key sheet RD01 DGN. And the same thing is also going to apply for sign-in and payment marking, signalizing sheets. All of them are the same. So when you open the file first, this is what you're going to have. It's automatically going to take you to the sheet model. Let me bring the models here. So this is sheet model, and you have the default. But we're not going to do anything in the default. We're just going to go to the key sheet. Bring it back. Okay, before I do anything, let's save. This step is important, and I hope everyone does it from the beginning, since everything is connected in ORD. I'm going to close the file. Clear crash for my OCD. Refresh for my OCD. So let's open ORD again. Okay, so the workspace is FDOT, and this is our work set. This is the DNA. This is the DNA I'm talking about. Properties. So the information that we have written here, they're gonna help, because this information, some cells in the key sheet file will actually pick up stuff from here. So this is just an extra step. Make sure you fill up your stuff. It's important. And you're gonna tell me why I did not fill up the engineer of record, which is, yeah, why I didn't do that? You know what? Let's do it together. But I'm gonna pause the video for now. Okay, we are back. I filled everything here. By the way, this bothers me always, because they say state road number and I see people type SR, and I used to do that. I type SR, but it's kind of redundant, because literally here, this is state road number, so the SR is here, and this is, you just type the number here. Anyway, I just did that. So I typed our lovely EOR. So let's just close that. So this is just an important step. You should already fill these stuff, because it's going to help you later. So let's go to the file that we already created and open it. It's taking its sweet, sweet time. Oh God. Okay, so we have that. So what we're gonna do is, right now, we basically need to bring the cell, right, with the key sheet. Oof, let me remember where that is. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's start this again. Oh God, sorry, I got a call and I was looking for the sheets. Oh God, I forgot actually. Yeah, I was gonna look here in the cells, but then I remembered. You see my mouse? Just right click and hold. When you right click and hold, we're gonna see informations here. So if your project is federally funded, select this. If you are just state, just select this. So I'm gonna select this, and then ta-da! the cell is magically here appeared. The Google Gaga, the magic part is to go attach it to this corner. That's what you need to do. It's the corner. See that? It's the lovely corner. That's all you need to do. And keep an eye here on the scale, because if I said 1.5, see, it's going to be bigger. So sometimes ORD, if you were playing in another DGN file and you had the scale maybe 6, 7, whatever you were doing, when you're going to bring it, it's going to look this huge and you're going to freak out. Don't freak out. Just make sure it's 1. Since it's 1, you have it as 1. Go to the corner and lash it onto this corner. Ta-da! We got our sheet. So let me show you a magical thing. You see now these are empty, are not filled. But if we went to default model and then came back, ta-da! You see they got filled. State road number 400. You see, we automatically got the stuff. This is the stuff that I told you that comes from the workspace, whatever, one of them. Those information they already showed you how. It's gonna make your life easier. So, I mean, all these stuff, if you right click, most of the things that you need are gonna be here. So the project URL, you drag it and you put it here. And then let's look at the DOT, what else they want us to have. I mean, just gonna open their exhibit and try to mimic their exhibit. Which is here. We need project location, URL, project limits, oh god, I cannot speak English. And then bridge limit and railroad. So all those, they can be brought by just click and hold, right click. What else do we have here? Oof, don't embarrass me now. Project information. What's a project information? Oh, here we go. You see, project information will bring you everything. I guess just put it here, put it here, put it wherever you want. I mean, if you are OCD like me, which is what I usually do, I mean, I draw non-construction lines here, make sure everything is lined up and looking cute. So all this stuff are easy to fill. Double click and you can write whatever you want. It's up to you. It's up for your project. Also this index is the same. You just come here and find the index. What is it? Oh god, I don't see it. Oh, that's probably a link data manager. Okay, so we have to open link data manager and then get the sheet index from here if you want to do it like that. To be honest, I don't do it like that. I just like literally write it here by myself so I can control it. And also the same stuff that you need to be written here and all that. And if you're gonna need the EOR information and the stamp. But why did I create this video is for this lovely piece of information. Nobody explained how to do this other than here. Where is key sheet 900? Okay, I am all over the place now. Okay, yes. Because there are no video to show that other than the writing in, I think, 9.10.22, if I'm not wrong. So let's do that. Let's go. 9.10.23. I mean, just read through this and just make sure whatever they have here, you need to have it in the sheets. Yes, this baby, yes, this information. So, from what I understand from here, you literally need the first, I think, 7 number. Yes, the first 7 digit of your project number. And you need to go to this link. So what we're going to do is, let's click on it. Let's go to that. Oh, no, I don't want to go here. Hold on. Oof. Actually, yeah, let's do it because I want to go there. But I can copy it, right? Okay, so it took me here. Let me copy this. Let's go here. Let's put it here. This is the same link that they have here. It's the same link. And as you can see, this is important. Everything in this link should be the same. The only thing you need to change is these number. That's all it matters. So let's go to that link. So if we went to that link there, it's already loaded with this project. I don't know if it's a real project, just an example project. As you see, the same number is here. And that it's giving you this. It's giving you this project. Let me close this. You see, that's the project. But what I want another project, which is my project that we are working on. So what I'm going to do is, as you see, I already have this the old sheet. I'm just going to copy this because I'm too lazy to write. And then I'm going to come here. I'm going to leave the 1 and I'm just going to paste this here. And then ta-da, you have your URL. That's your URL. And then click enter to confirm, because right now it should take us where the project is. Ta-da, hallelujah, thank you DOT. You see how DOT love us? See, now they give us, see, that's your whole project. That's the project. So now I have this, but that's not the last step. There are still another step. Let's go back here. Where's the, oh God. Am I in the right place? Oh, I'm sorry, it's here. Yes, the next step is we already have the full link. We need to confirm this link to a tiny URL so we can add it in our sheet. Convert it. So here they are telling you to use tiny URL app or equivalent, which is right. There are a lot of websites. Seriously, you can just Google transfer a link to make it shorter. Let me explain this, because actually this is what it does. It's literally a long URL, make it a tiny URL. And if you just went to Google, free tiny URL. They have the original website, which is tiny URL, but there are also, I mean, for example, this website here is showing you other examples. Bitly, this website's been a long time in the internet, and also this website, and of course tiny URL that DOT is telling us about, but there are other websites. All of them do the same. All of them do the same. Let's go. Oh, what did I click on? Oh, okay, yeah, that's showing us the website. Yeah, here is showing you the tiny URL, and they have this website, and they have this website. So if I clicked on this, am I gonna go to it? Yeah. So let me close this, and let me close this. And this is tiny URL, the one that DOT is telling us about. I'm only showing you other examples because what if this website is down? Because this is a third-party website. This website is not DOT property. So it might be down. So you literally, what you need to do, find a website that confirm a long URL to a tiny URL. It's that simple. See, this website also will do it for you. But the problem is some of them will want you to do an account, which is I don't like. And I think that's why DOT want us to use this one. So let's go back here, copy this with our 7 numbers for the project ID, and then go here, paste it, and then make my tiny URL. Wait for it, wait for it. Yay! Congratulations. You see, now we have the tiny URL. Just copy it. Let's go back to CAD. Double click here. Don't paste, paste unformatted, always. So you can adapt to the existing formatting. Ta-da, that's it. See, we are done. That's it. Let's go to see the other website. You see, this is the problem with the other websites. I need to create an account. Well, I do want to create an account. Ugh, let me type this. Free, yes, tiny URL. Is that what I did? Let's try another website. This one. I hope it will work. Okay, I need to pause the video so I can find recommendations. Okay, we are back. So I found this website. It's called also tiny.cc. I mean, again, go back to Google, free tiny URL. The first one will appear as this one that DOT recommending, but there are also this one. So this one, let's try it and see if it's gonna work or not. Let's copy this. Let's go back here. Let's paste it and make it short. Shortened. Oh. Oh, it did it. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Haha. I didn't even see that. Okay, so now we have this. And somebody's gonna come for me and tell me, oh, that doesn't look like the exhibit. You know, the exhibit is just there for exhibit. And if you read this, they say or equivalent. Yes, they want it to be tiny URL, but it doesn't matter if it's a different website, as long as it's in a short format of URL. So if I made it like this, it will also work, because this will do the job. And let's test it. Yeah, I forgot, we didn't even test it. Yeah, let's test it. Let's click on the link. Let's do enter. Let's see where this is gonna take us. Ta-da! It's taking us to where our project is. You see? And let's also go test the other one, the original one. This one. Let's test it. And then let's go back here, because I forgot. I mean, that's the important part. Yeah, you need to test your URL, your tiny URL. Click on enter. You see, ta-da, it's also working. Perfect. So with that, you got your lovely sheet. It's looking good. Just need to fill it. And we are good to go. Of course, I'm not going to do that in this video because all this stuff are redundant. And if you want to know how to do all this and redundant and how to do the link data manager and do all that, I recommend you guys go watch those videos that they have here. I mean, just go to FDOT. Oh, Key Sheet FDOT. This video is more than enough. And if you want to support a creator like me who's just doing it for I guess the fun of it, the help of it all, watch this guy's video, because this guy, he's doing a good job. Look, you have 10 subscribers, more than me. I don't know even how much I have. But yeah, go subscribe, go watch this video. This guy is using ORD and he's showing you how to do the other stuff if you don't know how to do them already. I'm not gonna do them. I only did this video just for the tiny URL, because yeah. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And always, yes, one last advice. Always read the FDM. Always read the FDM. I always say that to everyone. Always read the FDM. Either if it's the classic or the next gen, always read the FDM. Always read the FDM, because they have a lot of stuff here. Because when you read the FDM and you follow what they have here, even if somebody who's coming to comment on your project and telling you, oh, why you guys did this? You can tell them per FDM, because at the end of the day, this is our Bible. The FDM is what we are working for. I mean, come on, we all know engineering, we all know how to operate CAD. Some of us don't know that much, but including me. But again, this is what we have. This is written here. It's the legal thing that we need to follow and make sure our product following the FDM. Have a blessed day and thank you so much.